Howdy y'all, in this painting I'm doing an angry space guardian cat. So yeah, gotta make it black, like my soul. I just wanted to mention how pretty I think this little piece is before I paint over it. Just like how it looks. I have a TikTok now, and on that TikTok I put up a thing showing all the black paint that I have. And, well, I feel the need to use it. And so I started off by just painting a canvas black. And then I had no clue what I was going to do on it. And then I was like, ooh, I'm going to do one of those real cute white cats. Because I do cats very often anymore, and I've done a lot of black cats, but not really any white cats. And I was like, ooh, I'm gonna do a cute white Persian cat. Well, then Mike came in here and he's just like, ooh, make it angry. So that's how we ended up with a angry guardian space cat. Here I'm just trying to get the galaxy worked out. I've never really attempted it with anything other than watercolor, so here is me just throwing on some acrylic. You'll notice it'll jump to having new colors on it in a minute, and that's just because I tried to do a little bit with some spray paint. I don't love how that part turned out, but it definitely was worth the experimentation. Flicking the stars on with just spraying some spray paint on my fingers was a lot of fun. Should have wore gloves, but it still had the desired star effect I was looking for. I've never really painted a solid white cat before. Black cats are easy because, you know, they're black. It's very hard to mess up shading on something as black as a black cat. All you have to do is add some shine lines for fur, really, depending on the style you're doing. So, doing this white cat was kind of difficult, you know. I didn't really know what I was doing. I didn't know if I should go dark to light, light to dark. So, I ended up just laying down a base color of a blue-gray because I didn't know I wanted it to have blue undertones. And then I just went for it. I figured I'd redraw some of my areas so I would know where some shading needed to be. And I'm not really a great animal artist. But, you know, I try. This was good practice for sure. In a few frames, you'll see me looking at a old iPhone at my reference photo for this. Originally, it was going to be a cute cat, like I said before, and that was going to be the look I was going to be going for until Mike had the brilliant idea to make it kind of a grumpy cat. These eyeballs gave me a difficult time. I wanted them to have the same blues and greens that my galaxy has behind it. So I didn't really know how to accomplish that, so I just started out with a green color, and then I go back through a couple times, you'll see, trying to shade it up correctly. I finally got something I was happy with, but it was definitely a learning experience. Here I'm just throwing down some undertone colors for future painting. So I quickly did the nose, a little bit around the eyes, just because I know I want those lines to be thinned out later with the white paint and to be something for the stray white hairs to bounce off of. Painting fur is extremely difficult for me. I definitely need to watch a professional do it just so I have a better understanding of it, because I just I just go at it and hope it turns out. I knew I wanted this cat to be white, so I figured I'd start with some thin white washes and then go back in with some blue fur to shade, and then go over that blue again with a thicker white paint. That was my thinking of how to do fur. I think it turned out okay, but it is definitely amateur fur. So I always intended on doing a gold crown because I'm kind of on a dark color and gold kick, but originally I was just going to do like a stereotypical crown with gems, and then I saw the crown of Artemis and I was just like, ooh, galaxy, moons, gold, that'll be lovely. So that's what I ended up doing. I go back through and add what can either be pearls or opals to the moon, whatever you prefer. But I like how it turned out. It's not at all the original tiara I drew for the cat, but I do like how it turned out. And I also added a little bit of gold to the cat size. So the expression I wanted to give this cat was kind of like a, man, I rule the galaxy kind of expression. Kind of angry and menacing, but not to be taken too seriously because it's a cute, white, fluffy cat. So, yeah, here's the painting. It was a lot of fun to do. I hope you guys enjoy it. I did add some shimmering lines for the whiskers and some highlights. I love how this turned out. I think I'm going to get prints done of it in the future. So, yeah, thanks for being here. I really do hope you enjoyed this painting. I hope you're staying safe, and I hope you have a good day. I put out new videos weekly. Links are in the description to my other pages. Have a good day. Bye.